what's the difference between a Title IX case and a criminal case proceeding? When we're dealing with Title IX, it's in-house on a campus, at a school site, within the K through 12 school district, for example. When you're dealing with a criminal case, you're dealing with the actual court system. And so there will be criminal charges, for example. Someone can go to jail, someone can go to prison. When we're dealing with Title IX, the sanctions, the consequence there is, for example, suspension, expulsion, perhaps education. Perhaps someone will be removed from a class or removed from some sort of housing situation. So the differences are very vast. And I think sometimes individuals tend to think, well, if I do the Title IX process, I don't need to do the criminal process. That's not necessarily true. I would advise that if someone has been sexually assaulted where it's egregious, for example, a rape or a gang rape, for example, I would advise for individuals to approach the Title IX system, get that on record within the school, and then from there you take it to the criminal process. Because you will then have a track record and a paper trail supporting the fact that you have gone through all these processes and you're really trying to get justice for what took place. Overall, Title IX and the criminal proceedings are very different from one another, but they all, at the end of the day, are there to help and better support the individual that's been harmed.